I am convinced we all have come out of a meeting and felt frustrated. But not the meetings themselves are the issue. Meetings are a very important leadership tool. They help people and companies to get informed and coordinated. That's key. What really makes directors frustrated are inefficient and ineffective meetings. In the last 20 years, meetings actually have increased in both length and frequency. But how we organize them has not changed at all. This is why almost half of the time spent in meetings is perceived as unproductive.
Meetings are the most often used leadership instruments. It's the instrument we use as managers, as directors, as leaders to ultimately achieve our overall goals, to lead our teams towards achieving these goals. And if this instrument is getting dysfunctional, we will ultimately not achieve our goals, which will result in frustration for everyone involved. The estimated cost of unproductive meeting in Europe is 32 billion euros a year. We could achieve more with a better meeting culture. Our role is to enable our customers to opt for agile meeting management. So ultimately everyone gets time back, and I think that's the beauty about it.
We make every executive and board meeting count. We improve the performance of your executive teams by offering a secure and easy-to-use technology, ensuring streamlined processes and adapting your meeting culture to today's pace. We properly secure and protect all confidential information and documents. Meetings include thousands of documents which are usually highly sensitive. We safeguard valuable customer data by following the CIA principles of InfoSec: confidentiality, integrity, and availability.
Start enjoying your meetings with Sherpany. Your leaders don't need to be frustrated when participating in meetings. They can actually adapt their collaborative work to a more competitive digital age. Meetings are great if they make you grow and go forward.